Before sunrise, this bakery begins baking thousands of fresh naans for the city. Inside this small bakery, every worker knows their role. At the heart of it all is the traditional clay tandoor. Every naan starts with simple ingredients, but perfect dough comes from years of skill and experience. Each piece of dough is carefully divided by hand, ready for the next step in the baking process. The dough is gently stretched by hand, creating the soft texture that makes fresh naan so special. The naan is placed onto a traditional cloth cushion, ready to be pressed inside the blazing hot tandoor. With one smooth movement, the baker sticks the naan onto the inside wall of the glowing clay oven. Intense heat quickly transforms the dough into beautifully blistered golden naan within just a few moments. Using long metal hooks, the baker removes each naan at exactly the right moment before it burns. While still hot, melted butter is brushed across every ragni naan, adding its rich flavor. Fresh from the tandoor, stacks of steaming naan are ready to feed hundreds of hungry customers. Within minutes, the fresh naan is handed to waiting customers, ending one journey and starting another. I've heard this bakery makes thousands of fresh naan every day. Let's see how it is really done. This master baker has spent years making traditional naan by hand.
I'm looking for the best quality. Can you guarantee it?
Let's head inside and learn every step of the process. It looks simple, but shaping the dough evenly takes real skill. This is the hardest part, pressing the dough onto the scorching hot clay wall. Now comes the reward, carefully lifting the freshly baked naan from the oven. Not perfect, but definitely my first successful naan.
Nothing beats fresh naan straight from the tandoor.
While I made one naan, this team produces thousands every single day. Fresh naan is packed immediately to keep it warm for customers. Every naan is checked before it reaches the customer. Making the bread is only half the job. Every order must be counted and managed. The bakery never slows down. Fresh naan disappears almost as fast as it is baked. After seeing all the hard work behind it, I had to take some home.
Behind every fresh naan is skill and tradition. See you on the next job unknown. Behind every fresh naan is skill and tradition. See you on the next job unknown.